Hamilton, paediatric occupational therapist. I've been qualified for 29 years, and today I'm very excited to be launching my brand new online, on-demand sensory awareness training level 1. I've received excellent feedback from teaching online, live and in the room live, that I have now put together a learning platform that you can dip in and dip out of over 30 days. So this is for you parents. It is for the frustrations of raising children where you're uncertain, is this a typical developmental behavior, or is this a sensory behavior which is underpinning their frustrations and underpinning their learning. And you will have tools and strategies for the family home to enable your child to have more ease in the transitioning of getting dressed, brushing their teeth and getting out for the day. And what you will have by the end of the course is you will know the underpinning five first sensory systems in the central nervous system. You will know the difference between what is a typical developmental behaviour and what is a sensory behaviour. And you will also know how poor sensory integration can be recognised, what is sensory integration and what it is not. Click on the link and come on board, and hopefully this will provide you a wealth of understanding and answers to the many questions and queries you have.